Hey guys, Nate here with ECHOGEAR. Today we're going to be upgrading this tilting mount to the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion mount so we can swing that thing and watch TV anywhere in the living room.
Don't lose these. Smooth. Don't forget your lag bolts. Cable management.
Now that we've upgraded to the MaxMotion full motion mount, we can watch the TV from anywhere in the room and get the perfect angle. We've paired it with the soundbar mount from ECHOGEAR that moves with your TV so the sound's pointed in the right direction as well, and the in-wall cable management kit so all the cords are hidden away. You can find all these items on our Amazon storefront. I'm Nate, and I'm really bad at goodbyes.